My dear gardeners, write to me right now in the comments, do you grow tomatoes? Just write yes or no. Would like to see how many of us are lovingly nurturing this royal plant in the garden. Today, we are talking about a powerful organic supplement that we all already have in our kitchen. It costs nothing, but it works wonders. Your tomatoes will become stronger, more resistant, with rich green mass and a multitude of flowers that turn into juicy fruits. This is not an advertisement, this is a folk recipe, passed down from generation to generation. At a time when many people buy expensive chemical fertilizers, we are returning to nature simple, cheap, and incredibly effective. This supplement not only nourishes tomatoes, but also protects them from fungal diseases, strengthens the roots, and accelerates flowering. This method is used even by experienced gardeners who swear that their tomatoes have never failed since then. If you like these kinds of natural tricks and you like watching plants flourish before your eyes, click like, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to share this video with your friends. Let them also discover this secret from the garden. And here, as promised, the recipe for the end. Take 1 spoonful of wood ash, put it in 1 liter of water and let it stand for an hour. After that, dilute everything with 5 liters of water and water the plants only once every 15 days. Already after the first application you will notice the difference. Tomatoes will thank you with a lush crown and fruits that smell like childhood. See you soon in the new video. Until then, let your garden be your oasis of peace and health.